conversation last night was that you said, I want to take the wisdom of my speech, of my tribe, and share it with the world. So I said, hey, practice with this group.
Wow, okay.
So here we are.
Yeah.
So let's say you are broadcasting, which you are, and this is being recorded. You're sharing the wisdom of your ancestors to this group. This group can represent what? Tell us who this group is. Is it as is okay, or do you want to widen it to the global community of all nations to find out about your culture?
I would love to widen it to all nations.
That's what I'm saying. So I knew that. So let's pick a date, which could include this moment, because this moment is permeating all moments. It doesn't have to be in the future. But if you'd rather go, I can see doing this in a month.
I can see doing myself in a month.
A month more realistic than right now?
Both.
Okay, do
Time
both.
is an illusion.
This moment, all the time in the world. So we're going to do this, we're going to co-create this together. So we make it possible, now that we're learning how to bring out each other and echo, bring out the best of each other, to have the shortest. Go like this with me, everybody. Say these words. Simplest. Shortest. Strongest. Specific statement. Shortening it even more. Shortest. Simplest. Strongest. So when you speak, I give feedback here today. I'm going to ask you to give feedback using as few words as possible, as well as to describe what we're about to say using the 5S principle. Let's just see what you start off with, honoring, acknowledging this group of all nations of the world, starting with that. And we'll go from there. I'm going to stop you and turn it into some form of theater. I don't know yet what.
Thank you all here for listening to my ancestors' voice. All the wisdom that comes may resonate with you because we all come from connection to nature and connection to earth. My people connected to earth and connected to the skies and connected to the planet as a whole. And that resonates with a lot of First Nation people, and I'm so glad that I'm here so I can connect with First Nation people to connect me back to my lost ancestry, all knowledge.
Beautiful, beautiful. So what we're going to do now is utilize the wisdom of what's in this group to give you comments on how that touched you, because I could feel the authenticity, we all did. That was great. And there are ways for the visual, the auditory, the sense, different kind of learners here that some of us have a perception. To reach me even better, I would love you to, and then we're going to do a second take, add this, delete something else, or change something. It could be something like that, all right? So who was touched by that, including me? You know, I was saying to myself, she was born to do this. It doesn't look like you're just getting started. You're well on your way. And who has the feeling, as I do, that given everything we've been learning so far today about projecting the voice, the gestures, and also engaging the audience, what would you say that would reach you even more? What name do you like to be called?
Wasana.
Wasana?
Wasana.
Wasan. Wasan, yes, Wasan. Calling her and writing and telling it so we can all hear.
Wasan, that was fantastic. Thank you for that message. I felt that you were looking at Gary while you were saying it. And I mean, I connected with it. I would connect it more if there was more eye contact.
Fantastic. So the next time you do this for the first time, that's part of what you're going to include. See where we're going with this? That's great feedback. Who else? What else? Yeah.
Wasana had very similar feedback, and in that you can also take a little bit more time. So you can take a couple of breaths as you make the eye contact. You can take that breath so everybody is sinking into your message.
This is great feedback.
The first sentence you said was so powerful. That was awesome. Saying thank you for listening to the voice of our ancestors.
And to work to reach me even more, I would love it if you add this.
Well, I just wanted to mention that was just so. That was
keep the first sentence.
Don't change that. Thank you. Because I forgot what I said. That's interesting.
Thanks for your courage to speak up, and I felt it was really authentic what I just saw that you were moving your hands a lot, but not your feet. So maybe including the whole body.
Excellent, excellent. So we have some great feedback so far, right? What are those 3 things that you were just told?
Look at everyone.
Right?
Take time and breathe, and let's move your whole body.
Excellent.
Yeah.